What is the best wood species for your cabinet doors? First question you're going to want to ask is, are you painting these doors or are you staining them? For painted cabinet doors, there's two options you're going to want to consider for these. First of all is a paint grade maple. With our company, we use a HDF center panel, or we can do a solid MDF door. The MDF, HDF, and LDF material is just a low, medium, and high density fiberboard material that creates it's a dense mixture of wood and rosin that gives you a flat coat of paint every time compared to a wood grain material. With painted doors, specifically wood materials, you're going to want to take into consideration that wood will expand and contract versus MDF and HDF does not have that capability to expand or contract like wood will. With hardwood cabinet doors, one thing to take into consideration is the miter and tenon joints, specifically the joints on the corners that will form hairline cracks over time. You'll notice this especially with painted doors compared to stained doors. But that is one thing to take into consideration if you are painting those doors. Again, that happens with hardwood mortise and tenon and miter joints. However, with MDF, HDF materials, you're not going to see those hairline cracks because it is a single piece, a single door that it doesn't have those joints. When it comes to stained cabinet doors, you're going to want to take into consideration that the type of wood grain that you want to achieve the look you're going for. Whether you're trying to match an article in a magazine or you're trying to match the current doors that you have in your kitchen. You're going to want to take a closer look at the doors you have, possibly take them to a local wood store that would be able to tell you what kind of wood species you have, and you can go ahead and order those wood species on our website. Link below in the description, there will be the link for our stain colors, our wood species, and also our paint colors, so that way you can kind of tell the difference in colors, the stains, and also tell a little bit of the difference between the different stain options. With stain doors, you can do a clear lacquer that'll really accentuate the type of wood grain that you're going for, whether you're trying to do a light grain as like a maple, or more of a deep grain like a cherry, or even a walnut or hickory. You can even go as far as a rustic alder that has a lot of knots in the material to create that more rustic look.